How to disable filtering option on Telegram tutorial. Now if you want to disable filtering, because by default Telegram will have enabled filtering on your account. Now in order to disable it, you cannot do it from the Telegram app, so instead you have to open your browser. So you can open your browser on your mobile phone or your laptop and go to web.telegram.org, which is the Telegram's official website, and log into your Telegram account from the web version. After you've done that, at the very top left you can see the option of the three lines option. Tap on the three lines option from there, and over there you'll find the option called settings. So simply go to settings from here. Once you go to settings, you want to scroll, and there you'll find the option called privacy and security right there. So you just want to tap on the privacy and security option, and over here you want to simply scroll down. Over here you can set sensitive content. So basically by default this will be disabled, so show 18 plus content, this option will be unchecked. And if you want to disable that filtering, you have to turn on this toggle and not hide the media that contains content only suitable for adults. And now once you've done this, you can come back. The changes will also be saved on the app, so you can re-log into your app and your filtering option will be disabled. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.